All right, today we're doing the 2020 Lowrider S oil change. So pretty simple. You're gonna need 5 quarts of oil, the O-ring for the drain, and then you're gonna need an oil filter. So the oil you're gonna wanna go with, I just went what came within the bike. So they said they did not put synthetic in, and then black oil filter, of course, because I don't want it to be an eyesore. As a label. And then you're gonna wanna get this too. So this is the oil filter drain. So you're gonna put it right under where the oil filter is. Goes right to the back. Then you're gonna minimize the spillage on your actual motor. And you're also gonna wanna get the oil filter wrench. This thing was 13 bucks. Yeah, $13.95. I forget how much this is. I didn't care. I think it was cheap. I think it was like 20 bucks, something like that, 30 bucks. Again, 5 oil, 1 filter, 1 O-ring for the drain. Let's get to it. So believe it or not, so it's on the back. Pretty odd, but yeah, that's where it is. So just take the bolt off, let it drain out, obviously into a pan. Once it's slow dripping, put the bolt back in, then go to the front. All right, now I'm at the front. You'll see the oil filter drain is in there. So it goes all the way back. And what I do anyway, tuck a little rag underneath. Seems to be working good so far. There we go. So once this is kind of done draining, I'm just gonna pull that out with the filter in it so it's not spilling everywhere. Then you just put the new one back in and fill it up. All right, for the oil change, I put 4 quarts in, let it run for like 2 minutes, shut it off, let it sit for 5 minutes, check the oil. It was down a quart, so I put 5 in. But comment, rate, subscribe for more. Peace.